In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood struts on this BMW X5. These are going to be attached to the hood. Let's get into it. I'm just going to use a hood prop just to prevent the hood from falling when we take the struts out. And we're just going to take this clip off using a pick, pop that back, pop that out, and you'll do the same on the base. Clip right there. It's going to be the same at the base. Just pop that clip back and then pop it out. Now take the new strut, get the base lined up, push that on, and we're just going to twist this, get this lined up. Push the hood up a little bit. That's lined up. Then you can do the same on the other side. Once you've done the other side, you can take the hood prop off and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.